Alright guys, Mike here. Today we're gonna run a different experiment with the two legend speakers, right? Timpano, it was a really good performing speaker, and FaitalPRO, like everybody knows, really good performance and performer for the all time, right? For the price and for sound output. $47 to $55. Some dealers discriminating price, they're trying to sell for $100, but this is a $45 speaker, right? The best speaker versus $35. Timpano, so Timpano shallow mouth speaker, it means a mid-range speaker. You shouldn't give any bass for this speaker, but I give them a tons of bass on the other videos, and today we're gonna do also. But I was really impressed with shallow speaker handling that much bass without any distortion, without any mechanical noise. Timpano is a 200 watt RMS. It will play 95 hertz to 6500 hertz, right? It's like a decent mid-range speaker. So on the other hand, we have a FaitalPRO. FaitalPRO, it's 130 watt RMS power. The RMS is like a lot less. This is the maximum power, is like a 400. This guy's maximum power 260 watt, but it will play the good. This guy will play a lot lower than Timpano. It's by the specs, right? It plays from 60 hertz to 5000 hertz, so it's like a little lower, but the bass wise a lot bassier. It should be a lot bassier speaker. So today we're gonna give him the bass. Now I'm gonna start from the lower volume to see the sound quality and the lower volume, and we're gonna grow up with the power. We give him full range now. Even this guys, you see the drum details with the tweets, but all the clarity, like going the music in up and down. Like dubstep is the best, the music. I think it's not the music like old people listening. The dubstep is like they changing the music tones, so you can hear how the speakers will perform, right? Let me play the bass music. You shouldn't give these speakers the bass any, because it's like it should be played a lot higher. But we're gonna give them. That's why I say this guy is like a stupid speaker, right? You throw the bass, it doesn't get distortion. I'm throwing like a bass booster, like for subwoofer music, and this guy is, because it plays lower, it's maximing out. This guy is designed like a mid-range speaker, and I'm keep impressing. I'm gonna tune it down so 100, and I'm gonna give it tons of power for both to scream like each other, right? But now it's like a what I can say is like, don't do that kind of stupid stuff, right? But I can do. Watch. That's crazy. Okay, enough with the bass. Now we're gonna tune a little bit. We're gonna turn off just the regular music. Now, I'm not tuning anything. I'm giving the full range, and I'm gonna give a little bit more power.
Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
That's crazy. You see that why I'm like keep saying is like sometimes you can define nice speaker for the price. $35, guys. I hope dealers not gonna discriminate the price, like start to selling $50 or $60, $35. If you in the market now for mid-range speaker and that's you want to spend around like $35, definitely this is the speaker to go. Don't think I'm gonna run this speaker with the tons of other speakers, but for the price from 17 speakers I have, I don't think so I have anything like comes so close for $35 and sounds better than this. There is no speakers for now. And also Timpano is like a new company. They coming to the brand. I know, I understand. They just launched, you know, the speakers. They making with the PRVs. You guys know the PRVs. They known with the loud speakers, right? Some speakers doesn't sound great. Some speakers like more than excellent. Check my other videos. Like I was running the PRVs with the double price speakers, even the 6.5s, and they will perform really good, right? Same scenario here. Maybe is they knew that's why the price is like cheap now. Maybe they're gonna change the price later on, but now whatever the guy's getting is get it. Now I'm gonna tune the speaker. Now I don't want to tune the speakers. Like even you throw the full range, it plays good. Let me play the last music, like ladies' human voice, and we're gonna call it a day. I'm running. Oh, that's gonna be loud. I'm running 2 microphones, HD setup, all that stuff. I put the links on the description, the cheapest version. Check this out and let's go. Oh no, that's I think I'm doing like stupid stuff. I gotta tune these speakers a little bit. I'm gonna cut the bass and I will run again. Yeah, that's it, guys. I can't. Now after this, guys, I'm gonna run BNC, like a huge monsters, right? Monsters of the 18 speakers. BNC versus 18 sound. Those are like $100 plus, $150 versus $120. That's gonna be interesting. And the comment below, guys, which one you like better, which sound output. For me, it's like 100% I go with the Timpano for now, right? Because just the price and the sound outputs, I like the one the speaker is a brighter and natural sound, like human sound. I don't like these guys, though, don't get me wrong, this guy sounds really good, but I think Timpano's way to go. I have to run this guy with the Ryans. And the American bass, yeah, that's gonna be good comparison, right?